How to count duplicate values in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to count your duplicate values in Excel? Then you're in the right place. So let's dive right in. Open up your Excel document and make sure you write down the unique values in one cell. So here, yellow, pink, it's repeated many times, so just write in the unique value right here. So okay, so once you've completed writing the unique value, what you need to do is go to another cell and tap equals to COUNTIF, select all the duplicates, write comma, and then choose the unique value that you wrote, and then hit OK. And there you go. You can see that the yellow has occurred 4 times. You can just drag it down and you can know how many times the values have occurred. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.